back to my channel. So today I will go ahead and create this beautiful and glam makeup look for all of you guys. The best part of this makeup tutorial is it is an all drugstore makeup tutorial where I've used some of the best drugstore products. I have included some products which are new, which are already there in my vanity, put them together to come out with this look. The price range of all the product is within 600 rupees. You can carry this look in any brunch, any parties, any festival. So you definitely want to wear this look for a long time. So these are some of the products which are going to last for a long time. Of course, before starting any makeup, the first thing you would like to apply is a light moisturizer or some sort of a gel or serum which makes sure that your skin looks hydrated and nourished. So today's product which I'm going to recommend to you a lot is the FACESHOP Damyang Bamboo Gel. You can use it before starting your makeup on all over your face. I'm just going to take a bit of this product from this tub and I'm just going to go ahead and slather it onto my skin. You're feeding your skin with all sort of water and slime and your skin feels hydrated immediately. It feels nourished immediately. So next product I'm going to suggest, which is one of the most best and affordable product you can try from the Indian market, is a primer. Is the Miss Claire Studio Perfect Professional Makeup Primer by Miss Claire from NYKAA. So it is easier for you guys to avail, and it is a silicone based primer, so it is really nice for someone with pores because silicone tends to fill up your pores. So warm such primer in between your fingers and then start patting it on the areas where you have most pores and then slowly feather it out on the rest of the skin. Soft immediately. Now the longevity of this primer is not extremely great. It is around 5 to 6 hours, not more than that. For extreme oily skin person, it could be for 4 to 5 hours max. Another primer which you can use instead of Miss Claire will be the Blue Heaven primer, which is very nice and has a more better longevity compared to the Miss Claire, I feel. Move on to my foundation, and for foundation I will highly recommend the NYKAA Skin Genius foundation. I do not want to talk about the Fit Me because all of you guys know that. Some of the foundation which I love currently are the L'Oreal Infallible, the Matte Magique, the PAC foundation, the Fit Me foundation, and definitely the NYKAA one. The reason I talked about the NYKAA one is because in this video at least, because it has a very balanced finish, not too matte, not too dewy, and if you are someone who do not want to go for extreme coverage, you can use this one for daily purpose. As I'm suggesting product, I will also suggest a really good and affordable beauty blender. So a lot of you guys has been asking me from where I bought this rainbow beauty blender. So I bought this from Mumbai and from the store called Forever 21, and now get Forever 21 in Kolkata as well. So Forever 21 beauty blender are probably the most cheapest and best affordable beauty blender you can find because they work amazingly well and the prices are around rupees 299 within 300. It is an amazing product and I am using a damp blender, so you can see how fluffy it is today. Now a lot of you guys also ask me question like, when you should use damp, when you should use wet. I've already done a full video on the way you should use beauty blender and why you are using it in that way, either damp or wet, and also the way you should use various makeup brushes onto your skin. I will link the video in the description box, so please check out that video because I feel that video is going to give you more information than I can actually say to you. I will link it in the description box, but for now I can say that a wet beauty blender gives you a fill of hydration onto your skin, so works better for dry skin, and a dry beauty blender works better for oily skin because it gives a matte finish faster and it also builds up the coverage faster compared to a wet one. Now next thing I'm going to move on is to my concealer, and for my concealer today I'll be recommending this Studio West Pure Passion Concealer. All of you guys know my love about the LA Girl and the Fit Me concealer or the PAC Take Cover concealer. I've used them a lot in a lot of my videos, or the Age Rewind. So today I will be using this one, and this concealer is quite light and very similar to Fit Me. Actually I feel it is not much difference than Fit Me. Take today this Me Now translucent powder, and it is a banana powder, a very beautiful yellow tone powder, perfect for baking your face and setting your concealer and base as well. I usually use the Miss Claire one, but today I'm going to use this one because this one is an equally nice option. applied the powder now, and now I'm going to move on to the brows, and I'm not going to do the brows on camera because it takes an exceptionally long time. Dust off the excess powder. I will always suggest you to go for a makeup fixer because that just ensures that your makeup and your base stays on its place. The one I'm using is this Kiss Beauty Aloe Vera makeup fixer. It is probably one of the most affordable and best makeup fixer you can get in the market, priced around rupees 250 to 300, not more than that. You can buy this from Rayan Sahu in Kolkata. To my face, and it is slightly on the dewy side, so it is just gonna make my base look a bit more, you know, naturally glowy. Quickly move on to my eye makeup. So for today, the eye product I'm going to use is a very newly launched product from the brand Wet n Wild. I rave about the Sugar palette because it is so pigmented, but again the price of the Sugar palette is 1500 rupees. The price is 499, and it is also from a very renowned brand called Wet n Wild. And I'm talking about the newly launched Wet n Wild COLORICON palette. These palettes are so amazing. One I'm showing you is something I highly recommend because this is in the shade Rose in the Air, and I really recommend this particular shade because, you know, many times you guys ask me where I can get such rustic brown color from, you know, colors which I use from my Morphe palette or from my Juvia's palette, and there are this shade present in this palette. You can see this color is such a beautiful rustic brown. This is such a beautiful warm tone rustic brown, a beautiful plum shade, gold shade, copper. Products which I'm going to use are this Wet n Wild, you know, mono cream glitters. These are the creamy glitter eyeshadows. They are priced at rupees 135 only. This warm brown shade, do not mind, I just dropped my palette and I broke off this pan. Don't ask, it feels horrible right now, so I'm just gonna, you know, ignore that part right now. I'm gonna take this warm brown shade from the palette, and I'm gonna just start off working from the crease line to the inner corner as a transition shade. Next, I'm going to take that beautiful rustic orangish brown shade, which is very close to the shade Morocco from Juvia's, and I'm going to take this color and apply it on the outer V area to intensify the crease a bit, and I will slowly build up the pigmentation. Next, I'm going to take that rustic orange color as well as that warm reddish brown color from the palette, and I will mix both of them and slowly build up the intensity of the crease and the outer V region further. See how pigmented the colors are? They are freakishly pigmented and very buttery soft as well to glide onto your eyes. Being a drugstore brand, I think their products are so affordable and so amazing in quality. I'm just gonna go ahead and take the shimmery gold color from the palette, which is supposed to be a lid color. I'm just gonna place it on the center of the lid. Do you see the pigmentation on a single swipe? Mono eyeshadow called Nude Corner. It is a very soft, creamy, shimmery nude creme color, and I'm just going to take it on my finger and I'm going to place it on the center where I applied the gold on top of it. Ooh, just look at this. This is so freaking beautiful. You just need to pat the color and it will do its work. Do you see that shine? It is so pretty, so simple, so quick, yet so pretty. To take the Stay Quirky eyeliner first, and I'm just going to draw this liner on the crease line from the front corner halfway. Stay Quirky matte liner. I'm looking downwards because I want the copper color to dry fast, so I do not want it to smudge. So I'll be taking this Stay Quirky black liner and I'll be applying it as a wing liner. So I'm gonna draw the eyeliner in slightly feline way. So in this way, I'm gonna extend the front corner of the eyeliner slightly towards the tear duct area, creating a false tear duct, and this is just gonna give my eyes a very elongated and bigger look. Applied a falsies, and I'm using the Pack Make Lushes in number 74. This same warm rustic brown and this cool orangish brown, both of them, and apply it on the outside corner of the lower eyelid. Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I think I hardly use this and it has been lying there in my vanity for such a long time. So I'm just going to apply the mascara on the lower lashes. Pro Base Makeup Corrector and Brightening Kit. It is a really nice affordable kit which comes within 500 rupees and it has a bronzer, a highlighter and a blush. Do you see how beautiful the color is? It's nice. To a brush like this and I'm gonna go over this color softly and I'm gonna apply it on the hollows of my cheek and a bit on my forehead and nose. Wet n Wild highlighting powder. This is a very beautiful highlighter. I'm using the shade Precious Petal. Ooh, look at that glow, baby. Do you see that? So pretty. Using a rustic brown color. So first I'll be using this MEILIN lipstick in shade A29. It's a very beautiful rustic orange color. Give it a slight browniness. I'm using this PAC Retro Matte Gloss in the shade Sandstorm and I'm just going to pop it on the center of the lips. Perfect. So this is pretty much how the look goes and I hope you guys really enjoyed this chit chat tutorial. All the products I used in this tutorial are some of the best drugstore makeup products available currently at the Indian market. If you feel the video was helpful and you love the look, please make sure you hit the like button and give it some love, and also please do subscribe because that will really mean a lot, and I will see you guys soon. Until next time, take care. Bye.